Hello everyone, today's video is going to focus on Select Custom for Powers Football 2019. So if you would grab your catalog, you can follow along. In the catalog we have stock football, Select Custom, conversion styles, which we'll talk about in another video, and then fully sublimated football. But today's focus is going to be more where most of the action is in the Select Custom offerings. So if you would, turn to page 9, and we're going to talk about the fabrics that are available on Select Custom. So at the bottom of 9, I'm going to touch on each of those fabrics. First one is going to be 65 material, which is a technical woven. Remember last year we introduced this tech woven. It has a grid design to it. It does not stretch, but we surround it with stretch fabrics. It's very hard to give. It's 100% nylon in colors. Anytime we talk about whites, it's going to be polyester. So 65 fabric, the technical woven. Okay? A new fabric for this year is 69, which is going to be a vented mesh. We're going to call it smokestack mesh. We're going to use it on the sides and the bottom of our new Mustang jersey. It has a lot of stretch. And quite honestly, I think it has more durability compared to our 298. So we're moving this direction, a more technical advanced fabric for some venting smokestack mesh. Okay? 78 fabric is the stretch mesh, which has been a terrific stretch product used in a variety of different products in the line. So stretch mesh is 78 material. 79 is going to be our new Twillo fabric. So it's a new stretch knit. It has a little bit different fiber content as compared to the 190 stretch knit we've been using. We'll feature that in this Mustang jersey, in the fronts, backs, yokes, and then surround it with the smokestack mesh. Okay. The next one is going to be a pant fabric. So 90 material is our warp knit spandex we've been using on all of our pants. It's a matte finish. It has tons of stretch. It's a 91 nylon, 9 spandex. We're going to use and move away from 90. I'm going to jump down a couple of materials on that chart and look at 390. So 390 is going to be a mock negative. It has a much different fiber content, more spandex in it. But what I want to point out and emphasize, the 90 fabric stretches a lot more than 390 does. We've patterned to accommodate that, but if you have teams that have worn 90 and they get 390, they're going to say, hey, this feels a little tighter. It may, because it does not stretch as much. But it's a very technical fabric, moisture wicking. We're going to move towards it when we move into any of our new pants and the 2 new pants we're offering this year. Okay? Continuing, kind of back up that fabric chart. The 190 is the stretch knit. You'll see this in yokes on all of the carryover styles and bodies in some of the styles. 298 is a hockey mesh, or another vented mesh that went on the back, bottom, front, and back of our Jaguar jersey last year. It's going to go also on the Jaguar and on the Panther jersey this year. And then 697 is a stretch dazzle that we're just using on the sleeves of the Style 77 Blitz jersey. Okay? All right, continuing on page 9. At the top, you'll notice we have a variety of different fonts, both letters and numbers. In years past, in Select Custom, we've said, hey, you can only use these number of fonts. Now we're opening up to every one of our letter and number fonts. So a huge variety of fonts that you can offer on Select Custom. Okay? Going back over to page 8, some important parts on ordering. So at the top, minimums, 6. Got to have 6. Alpha sizing is going to be the size profile. Belt length is an option or an alteration for styles 92, 91, 80, and 79. And to give you an idea, as it says in the catalog, it's a little bit longer in the back than it is the front for obvious reasons when we're in stances, but it does have elastic at the bottom. So it's a real nice feature, styles 92, 91, 80, and 79 at no charge. Okay? Sublimated sleeve stripes, continuing on that same page. So sublimated sleeve stripes are going to be available on style 77, 80, and style 90. Sublimated stripe patterns over here on the opposite side is available for side insert on style 42. Also in style 79 on the UCLA armhole insert, we can use a variety of different stripe patterns. It doesn't have to be 2 color, 3 equal stripes. It can be a variety of different stripe patterns. Okay? Below the sleeve stripes are some prints that are available for style 77. So our Blitz jersey has a variety of different prints, and that can be used there. It's noted at the bottom on page 8. Okay? Meat and potatoes portion of the pricing. So at the bottom on 8, style pricing includes a 1-inch embroidered team name, any of those fonts on page 9, sublimated stretch woven numbers front, back, and on the sleeves. If I want to use a name or a team name font that is not one of the standards for an additional $10 list, we can go ahead and use any. If somebody's got a special script style lettering they want to use for $10 list, we can go ahead and do it. Just get us vector art. Okay? There are another option that we're going to put in here, new for this year, is a 2-inch sublimated stretch twill team name. So 2-inch team name on style 79, 80, 91, and 92 for an additional $20 list. And when we talk about stretch woven, so our numbers are sublimated. This is a stretch fabric. As we know, stretch tackle twill stretches like a 2x4. So this is a much better product than stretch twill. So sublimated stretch woven, we're going to refer to as stretch twill, obviously, in the catalog. Okay? All right. New styles. Pop it over to page 2. So if you would, grab your catalog, pop over to page 2, looking at the new products. So the very first jersey is our Mustang jersey, style 92, which, as I mentioned in the when we talk about fabrics, it's going to be the Twillo, the 79 fabric body, front and back. The sides will be the smokestack mesh, and the back will also be the 69 fabric smokestack mesh. You'll notice a lot of different cuts and seaming. The intention here is to have this thing fit really super tight. So it's a great fitting new jersey. It's now shown with a sublimated stripe we call Boise. So I encourage you, go to the builder, powerscustomuniforms.com, and you can build this. I can also go with a solid sleeve and put a number there if I'd like, but use the builder. It's a great tool for you. All right. The matching pant then, the Mustang pant, or style 63, is set up with a sublimated team name down the side. Okay? And again, our pants, gripper elastic waist, concealed slot, flyless, self-material thigh and knee pad pockets, zigzag stitch to allow for stretch. Again, the feature that we always love to point out is the scallop cut in the back. This is going to be standard on all of our pants, stock pant included, but style 90 or 63, sublimated team name down the side. The other new jersey and pant line, you remember last year our Jaguar jersey? Here's a kind of a brother or sister to that. This is our Panther jersey. So the same 65 fabric technical woven front with the 298 hockey mesh, 190 fabrics on the yokes and sleeves. But this time we put a 1-inch sublimated stripe on the upper chest area. It can be either a 2-stripe or a solid. Go to the builder and it can help you build a couple of different looks. And then a 2-piece neck. The matching pant, style 62. This one has a sublimated 2-stripe design that can go all the way down, or it can go down and across the front of the top knee. Again, use the builder. It can show different looks. I can contrast the back of this. I can contrast above the knee as well. So it's a great new design in Select Custom. A couple of continue or carryover styles from last year. Just to point out, our best seller last year was the Jaguar jersey, style 80, with the technical woven front and back with the stretch knit shoulder sleeve. This was our dynamite jersey. And then the Bruin jersey, style 79, with the UCLA armhole insert and a stretch mesh front and back, was a great look and a great design. We've got other Select Custom styles, but I wanted to focus on the new stuff. After you had a chance to look at this video and review your catalog, if you have further questions, contact your sales agent or our outstanding customer service department. Thanks.